Okay guys, flip video of my 74 450 SL. Normal sort of condition, the paint works fine at 10 foot. I wouldn't get too close, it hasn't been repainted in a few years, I dare say. Everything works. The soft top roof is brand new. It runs megasquirt, which I will show you in a second. All the windows work, everything else works. I'll get it detailed before I put it on eBay, but that's what it looks like. So I'll get it cleaned out, but the inside has Jag 2000 Jag XJ8 seats, full electric function. Driver's seat has a seat heater. It has a Nardi steering wheel. The dash I made myself because I've got a fuel pressure gauge and fuel air ratio gauge. The engine is a 116 3.5 litre Euro high compression engine. I've rebuilt it, new rings, bearings, timing chain, the whole katootie. So it's good to go. It's done about 10,000 miles on the new parts. Okay, just took the air filter off, but the relay board is down there. All the wiring is enclosed and running through, and can't get rid of the glare, running through into the passenger compartment, and the megasquirt sits where the original fuel injection computer sat. Here you can see the modified throttle position sensor. All the wiring to the injectors is normal. I've used the original standard Mercedes temperature probe for the fuel injection system. Temperature probe for the display on the dash is at the back of the engine just there. All the wiring's good. The distributor still has the fuel injection points in it. It'll come with the original harness, the original fuel injection computer, and the original fuel injection components, and it'll take, I don't know, 35 minutes to switch between megasquirt and the original system. Don't use the cold start valve anymore, don't use the fuel injection points anymore, because the megasquirt controls all of that. I'll start it up now and show the megasquirt running. There's the fuel pressure offtake, new leads, plugs, everything else. The original manifold absolute pressure sensor, the map sensor is down there too. So it's just a matter of plugging the old harness back in and you're ready to go. I suppose the only problem would be the coil, which is a Pertronix flamethrower coil. It has a Pertronix system in it, which works okay. I'm not overexcited about it. I think I probably prefer points, but it certainly makes life easier. Okay, so that's the system, guys. It's exactly the same as the standard system. And as I say, to convert between the two, now that it's all wired and the harnesses are all together, is probably 35 to, call it an hour job to get it all done. Convert original back to megasquirt. It'll come with the megasquirt installed though, and the well, that's where I need your help on what goes with it. You can see on idle the AFL needle is running up and down a little. And it runs very nicely. I don't know if you can hear the exhaust note. I'll stick my hand out. Okay, I'm just starting up the megasquirt now, and I'll put that on to run in a second. Okay guys, I hope you can see this alright. It's the megasquirt program. Shows all the gauges on the computer, obviously. It's plugged in. So I have engine speed, throttle position, pulse width on the injectors, duty cycle, engine pressure, manifold absolute pressure, vacuum, manifold air temperature, coolant temperature, and gamma enrichment. So, for those of you that didn't see, I've converted it to have electric locks, so it locks and opens. Much better than that damn stupid vacuum system, which I hated. Okay guys, so here we go, starting him up. The line at the bottom is the air-fuel ratio as the engine's running from the oxygen sensors. You can run settings whilst you're going. I wouldn't enrich it, I wouldn't play with it while I was driving, but if you watch the little green block in there, as I rev, you can see how it's running through its enrichment table according to the vacuum and the engine speed. You can change it on the fly, but there's a running program in it. It'll come with a running program and ready to go. And as you can see, everything's running quite nicely. The engine's still a little cold, it's only 176. Throttle position works just fine. The engine manifold pressure works as it, I mean, everything's working, but gives you an idea of what you're looking at anyway. Alright guys, well, I hope that's given you something to think of. If you could give me a price on what I should put it on eBay for, I would appreciate it. Thanks very much guys, bye now. Just so that you know, I'm not leaving the 107 forum. There's the next project. I'm working on this one right now, an MG1100, but there's the next one. 450 SLC Euro version, and that's going full megasquirt and EDIS. And here's the 450 SL engine that's going in the SLC.